Where I come from, every seed tells a story. In my family, we call it Zaree'a, the beginning of life, nourishment, and tradition. My grandmothers used Zaree'a to prepare food and remedies with deep meaning, including a traditional drink made only during Ramadan called Abri. It was made from seeds soaked and fermented with care. Today, I use the same principle, Zaree'a, to grow fresh, spicy radish microgreens using that same care and intention. I've used a 10 by 10 tray filled with organic soil. And remember, you could use literally any container available to you. After soaking the radish seeds for 5 hours, I spread them evenly across the surface. Then I covered the tray and placed 10 pounds dumbbells on top to simulate pressure to encouraging strong root growth. The seeds stayed in darkness for 3 days. This helps them germinate uniformly, which is a critical phase that needs more attention. After that, I removed the cover and placed the tray under LED grow lights. Then I mist the tray lightly each day. By day 9, they are ready to harvest, crunchy, spicy, and full of life. This is Zaree'a, not just a seed, but a practice of growing with purpose, care, and respect for the past. From my grandmother's wisdom to my balcony grow tray, and this is how I keep the tradition alive.